सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, सलाम। कैसे हैं आप सब? I would cordially like to invite 4 of distinguished guests to be on stage for the Indian lamp lighting ceremony. Ganpati Bappa, Mangalamurti.
My name is Mitsuteru Tanigawa, Executive Director and Head of Asia Pacific Region of Sumitomo Rubber Industries, Japan. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the Falken dealers for your great efforts of selling Falken tires. Today, we are very pleased and honored to have the opportunity to show you the long-awaited our new product, SN832i. I have been working in the tire business for a long time and have been involved in tire sales in Japan, Indonesia, China, and Europe. And finally, this is my first trip visit to India. Thank you very much for your attention.
And now I would request Ms. Claire Law to present a memento to Tangiwa Sen. Thank you so much for your precious time.
Namaste. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for attending Falken Tires' new product launch for SN32i. My name is Claire. I'm the Senior Vice President of Stanford Tire Corporation. I have worked with the companies for 25 years and are responsible for the group supply chain management.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Can we have a big round of applause, people?
So very welcome to wonderful tonight, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ushida. I was appointed to Managing Director of Falken Tire India and have stayed in Gurgaon since April this year. I am working for tire industry since 1987. Falken is always with me for 31 years. Falken was born in 1983, produced by Otsu Tire. Falken is German languages, means the aggressive bird, falcon in English. Thank you very much.
प्रिय फाल्कन सहयोगी, फाल्कन टायर इंडिया की तरफ से नमस्कार। हमारे नए प्रोडक्ट SN832i के लॉन्च में आने के लिए धन्यवाद।
So now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Satoru Ushida, Managing Director, Falken Tire India Private Limited, to be up on stage for the official opening ceremony of SN832i. 8, 6, 4, 2, and here we go for the launch. Come on, people, come on, come on, come on. Hands up, come on. Woo! Come on, people, you need to applaud, you need to make some noise, making this moment absolutely memorable.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of you once again. I hope all of you are excited. Yeah? So, I know काफ़ी दिनों से हम लोग सारे लोग इसका इंतजार कर रहे थे. It has been a long time. So finally our new product is here. So I hope all of you got some basic idea about the product from our product video. I'll just briefly show you some of the major features of our new pattern and along with the size ranges. Thank you and happy selling.
Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all our esteemed and valuable customers who have joined us for today's special evening. So I'll be sharing what special benefits you'll be getting while you'll purchase SN832i, which is our new range which we have launched today. So please buy more and more Falcon SN832i tires and enjoy the special benefits. Thank you so much.
First act of the evening, here we go, the Tron Act. Act by our foreigner artist duo.
But we prefer to do the cumbia. We do the cha-cha. We do the rumba. But we prefer to do the cumbia. We do the cha-cha. We do the rumba.
We will be presenting the Top 5 Dealers Award. The category to be given out is Top Distributor in Eastern Region. The first winner for the top distributor in East Region is Mr. Sudeep Goyal. The category to be given top dealer in Upper North Region, and the winner is Mr. Charanjit Singh, DC Tires. And now for the next category to be given out is top consistent ASP dealer. Yes, that is Mr. Simar Sethi Tires. And now presenting the next category to be given out is top dealer in Mid-North Region. And the winner is Gurmeet Ji, Mr. Gurmeet Singh. And the last category to be given out is oldest patronage dealer. And the winner is Mr. Vimal Puri from Puri Tires. And now coming on to the next Bollywood act of the evening. Draw. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is Bhushan Tire Zone. And he has got a vacuum cleaner, so he's gonna be helping his wife cleaning the whole house in Diwali. So congratulations. Khulja Sim Sim Khulja. And Irfan has won. The second prize is printer. Alright. Abhishek wins a Samsung tablet. That is the first prize. The third dance act of the evening.
Falcon 832i बेचूंगा तेरे लिए. Buy one get one free.